Hi guys, welcome to this video, and today I'll be creating this beautiful shimmery glittery background using our beautiful embossing powders and a stunning stamp set from Waffle Flower. So to do this, all I did is created my own ombre glitter paper, and for that I dabbed the VersaMark embossing ink directly on a sheet of paper and really saturated it well. So here you can see that I'm using my craft mat to do that, and I'm just dabbing and swiping the pad all over the paper. So now these are the beautiful embossing powders, and they are in so many beautiful finishes. So I will list all the embossing powders I've used, and I'll try to create a blend of a sort so that they look like an ombre. So this is an absolutely wonderful idea to create your own shimmery backgrounds. So I'm using a spoon and a coffee filter here so that the process is quick and easy. This is how the first layer looks, and I'll just heat set it with my heat tool. So I did not find it completely opaque at the first layer, so I decided to go and do it a second time, and then it was just absolutely stunning. So here you can see that the powder is beautifully melting, and the shimmer and glimmer in these embossing powders is just beautiful. So here you can see that I allowed the paper to dry and cool down a bit, and then I'm going to add all these four colors once more. So this is actually done, and the background is so beautiful. You can use stencils for this, and you can just create beautiful unique backgrounds by using these embossing powders. To finish the card, I took this beautiful Peony Notes stamp set from Waffle Flower Stamps and used some vellum for this. I placed the stamp set on my Misti and used the VersaFine black onyx ink to do the stamping. Since the VersaFine black onyx ink is wet and it takes a little longer for it to dry on vellum, I decided to add some clear embossing powder on top of it so that the black ink doesn't smudge. So this also gives it a beautiful shine and a raised element to the stamped image, and I really liked it. So once that was done, I used my sharp pair of scissors to cut the image, and then decided to add some Copic colors. So the card is almost done, and I just finished it with the sentiment embossed in white, and I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this as well, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.